Mathematically, they know the world we're in soon if we don't change. Make the world a better place, a safer place, a cleaner place. Save the world, little boys and girls. Save the world, little boys and girls. You are the future of this earth. Rebirth, a new earth. This is your church. If she hurt, you hurt. Learn, search. She's more than just dirt. Open your eyes and realize she's alive. Deep inside, she cried. The people cried to cover up the truth. It ought to be a lawsuit to the people that pollute the air. I'm telling you, cause they don't care, they don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. They don't care, they don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. I wanna tell you, cause they don't care, they don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. I hear the steps coming up the stairs. They don't care, they don't care. They turn the world to a nightmare. I see shadows coming up the hall, downstairs. They don't care, they turn the world into a nightmare. They don't care, telling you, cause they care. They don't care, they turn the world into a nightmare. Turn the world into a nightmare. They don't care, they don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. Pick up the baton that was left by your father and mom. Grab the baton and finish the marathon. Finish the marathon, pass the baton to your daughter or son. Teach one, show one. The more you know, the more you know. You need to learn or live pro. Recycle mode is the way to go. Save the world, bro. It depends on you. Yeah, you, it's true. Save the world, bro. We need you. Be our hero. Save the world, bro. We need a hero. Somebody, anybody, take a stand all night. Hold hands, start again. A clean slate. We're dealing with fate. Can you relate? Before it's too late. Come on, everybody from every state. Hold hands, come together. We can do it. United we stand. The party we fall. We are the world. We are the world. We are the world. We are the world. Make the world a better place, a safer place, a cleaner place. Save the world, little boys and girls. Save the world, little boys and girls. You are the future of the earth. Rebirth, a new earth. This is your church. If she hurt, you hurt. Learn, search. She's more than dirt. Open your eyes and realize she's alive. Deep and down, she cried to cover her truth. They need a lawsuit. The people that pollute our air, but they don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. I wanna tell you, cause they don't care. They don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare, and they don't care. They don't care. They turn the world into a nightmare. I wanna tell you, cause they don't care. They don't care. Did you know the same things that air produce in order for us to breathe, that the whales in the sea produce the same thing? When they come up for water, they release a gas into the air that is needed in order to make oxygen. So if the sea dies, we die also. The sea is needed for our survival. The trees are needed for our survival. Fish are needed for our survival. The animals, the cows let off gas that destroy the atmosphere. Did you know that? So, go vegan.